So why are crushed eggshells so good for your composter? Now don't forget, I say crushed eggshells because the whole eggshell won't break down fast. Well, it'll break down, but it'll take a few years to break down. So if you crush your eggshells, it'll only take approximately a year. So why are they so good for your kitchen composter? Well, there's so many reasons, but so you need calcium in your soil, and eggshells provide calcium. So do you know that if you have your egg have your scrambled eggs for breakfast, but remember to take the eggshells and crush them and put them in your composter, because did you know that if you have good calcium in your soil and you grow, let's say, a tomato, that tomato will have better shelf life. If it has good calcium, it'll actually last longer before you eat it. Now I know you want to pick your tomato and just eat it. I get it. But if you can't eat it right away, that shelf life of that tomato is extended just because you have good calcium in your soil, right? I mean, how much smarter can Mother Nature be, right? So you have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nana the Glam Gardener, and turn your notifications on so that you get the new videos coming out, and learn how to be a better gardener, and we can teach each other. You have a great day.